knock us down.
Welcome to Rebels A Go-Go. We are staying at an Airbnb that is currently full of fellow Americans.
So we all decided to join forces to prepare a meal together. Join us for a very special Turkey Day in Puerto Escondido.
Shooting for that fortune and you feel that blue. When everything you wanna hear is turning into no's. When you got something in your heart, they never know. You flow with your heart, you flow with your faith, you flow with the love, baby, love for the good. That's what I do when you hold me down.
What is it?
It's pig's feet, pork fat.
Look at that smile. Look at that smile.
Delicious.
Jinxie and I just went to Mercado Benito Juarez. Got a bunch of our produce, some cheese, bonus pork. Smelled some awesomeness. I was like, all right, whatever that is, we gotta get it.
Smelled too good to pass up, y'all.
And something we kind of needed for one of the dishes. Right now we're just making our way back to the house and drop off some groceries, get a bite to eat, and then we actually go out and grab a few more things from the actual like supermarket.
We'll be back.
Hope you enjoyed my only 4th or 5th time ever riding a 2-wheeled motorized vehicle. We're gonna go in the store now. Then you need it.
How's that tiny cart working out for you?
A lot of the milk is actually shelf stable. You don't always find it refrigerated.
Marshmallows.
As some of you might know, Mexico is known for its sweetbread.
My body is numb, yeah, my heart's under attack. I am lazy, and I will always be.
So this is an interesting thing. Cart locks on the escalator thingy down.
Only got myself to blame. All of this time I'm wasting, searching for a way out of my skin. Seems like I get left behind at every turn.
You drove the bike, I drove the bike, and we didn't die.
We did not die. Hell yeah. Good job, husband.
Welcome to Thanksgiving. Welcome to Mexico and Thanksgiving. Welcome to Thanksgiving in Mexico. I'll show you around some of the foods that we've prepared. Not just us, other people in the house. Got some awesome pies. Cooling. Other time making some stuff. Got some greens. Chilling out, waiting. Make some collard green style type thing. And turkey's in the oven. I'll show you some other stuff once it's actually around. What did you make, Jinxie?
Made sweet potato casserole. I got some other stuff.
She made a lot of good food. And then the other people in the house made some awesome food. So we got sweet potatoes. We got collard greens. We got, what else we got? Veg.
Oh, look at that turkey.
The thermometer registers the recommended temperature.
Turkey's ready.
Well, we'll put it on the cutting board, cut it later. Go in the gravy.
sweet potato pie. Got our collard greens, onion, cream something. The scalloped potatoes.
Is this for the VIP table?
Mac and cheese. Oh, stuffing.
Stuffing. And more stuffing.
And more stuff. This amazing feast. We all put our hands in and threw down together.
Awesome.
Gratitude for
Just so
the
you know,
food.
my go-to food was the collard greens and the yams.
The yams are great.
Yeah, the first two things I ate.
Awesome. How's the food, everybody? Awesome. Yay!
It was the carnage of comida.
You're in my.
Jinxie,
Well, that's what you get the.
what are you thankful for?
Right?
Thankful to be here at this amazing house celebrating Thanksgiving with people who were once strangers but now friends.
Steve, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful that I woke up again this morning. I have one more day on this planet.
Jeannie, what are you grateful for?
To be retired and traveling with my incredible husband of almost 43 years, to be here with this group of incredibly positive people,
Yes.
and to meet you all and party!
And what am I thankful for? I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful for our followers, people that watch, my wife, my kid, all the people that make it happen. All the people that we have met, all the people that we will meet. Thankful for our travels.
Salute.
Salute. Oh, you get love too, Marty.